Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a pretty big Bath & Body Works haul. I definitely stocked up recently, so if you guys like hauls like this, be sure to check out some of my other ones, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So first up, I purchased some hand soaps. I got the Sunshine and Lemon scent, which is just a really clean and refreshing summery scent. And then I also picked up the Beautiful Day soap. I did order a couple more online, but they haven't come yet, and I was just like, I really need to film this haul. I picked up several shower gels because we all know that I am obsessed with Bath & Body Works shower gel. I've never seen this one before. It's called Triple Berry Martini. It has these like silver little sparkly things on the side. It looks really cute and girly. It is just very berry scented, as one would expect. I don't really get many other notes, just a pretty strong berry scent. So I'm not sure if I'm going to like that, but the bottle kind of drew me in. I really liked these bottles. They looked super luxe and fancy. This is Cactus Blossom. I've had this one before. This is a really bright, fruity, and subtly sweet scent. It's absolutely perfect for summertime. And then I picked up Black Cherry Merlot, which is another one that I really like. It's a sultry cherry scent. It's a nice fall and winter scent, so I'll probably save that for fall and winter. I just love to stock up on all the shower gels so I can have them throughout the year, because I would much rather pay $3.75 or $4.75 than like $12.75, or they might even be like $13.75 now, I'm not sure. But we got a lot more shower gels, so hold on. I got Belize. This scent looks cool. I've never had it. I like the palm tree background. Very heavy on the banana scent. I smell a little bit of coconut in there too. Fun fact about me, I actually hate bananas. Like, I hate the taste of them. I also got Sun-Washed Citrus. This looks like a throwback scent. Love the little oranges. The fragrance notes are sugared lemons, mandarin, and agave nectar. I love this. This is so clean with a subtle sweet scent, like that agave is coming through. And these are the kind of scents I love. I love really clean, pure base scents. And then I love whenever they're like a little bit fruity clean or a little bit sweet clean. But I love when the base is a very clean scent. Rosewater and Ivy, of course, this is a classic scent. It just smells like roses. Very pure and refreshing scent. I always pick this one up at the sale. And we have Pink Chiffon. This is another returning scent for me. The notes are sparkling red pear, jasmine petals, tiare flower, vanilla orchid, and chiffon musk. Super girly scent, kind of younger vibes, kind of like daydreaming about Paris vibes. But the packaging is really sleek. It's definitely a different packaging than they had before. They used to have that chiffon ribbon, but it looks like they did away with that packaging. I got raspberry jam donut packaging, super cute, little like French bakery vibes. I'm hoping this is not too sweet. The notes are wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. Oh, this smells so good. I definitely smell some vanilla in there. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. Let me know what your favorite Bath & Body Works scent is in the comments below. I also got Bahamas, passion fruit, and banana flower. I've had this one in the travel shower gel sample. I brought it to the beach last year. And this one, it smells kind of florally with a little hint of banana. I definitely get much less banana vibes from this one than the Belize, which is interesting because this one even says banana flower, but that might be different than bananas. I don't know. But the fragrance notes are passion fruit, pineapple leaves, and banana flower. I also was able to use my $10 off of 40 coupons, so I got even more of a discount by doing that. This is the last shower gel. I picked up Key West, coconut, water, and melon. I've never seen this one before. It looks like it came from some sort of limited edition line. The fragrance notes are coconut water, saltwater waves, and fresh melon. Pretty heavy on the coconut. I kind of think it overpowers everything else. Finally, I did get one candle. I really was kind of wanting two, but I really don't need two candles. As you can see in the back there, I have a candle. I have a couple other candles, so. But I do love Hibiscus Waterfalls. This is a kind of a sultry, beachy scent. A little bit masculine and clean vibes all around. Kind of like a lighter version of cologne with, like I said, like kind of a sultry beach vibe, if that makes sense. But I'm not a huge fan of the packaging. I feel like it's kind of cute, but it also is kind of tacky. But love the scent, and the candles were $11.95 when I went. But that wraps up my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you'll stick around for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.